Hey everyone, good morning. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about food my friend actually just gave me to try and see if my cat likes it. It's called NUTRO. It's a wet cat food for adults. It comes in it's like a sliced different grain-free food. So I was telling her how my cat was having digestive issues, and she has a cat that's about 6 months, and she said he loves NUTRO and that it's all natural and is made with real chicken and tuna. And where is the ingredients? Okay, right here. It's chicken broth, chicken liver, tuna, egg product, pork broth, natural flavors, minerals, calcium carbonate, ferrous sulfate, zinc oxide, copper pronate, magnesium sulfate, sodium, potassium, gargum, vitamins, vitamin E, niacin, 735 calories, and that's per can. And it has guaranteed analysis: crude protein 10%, crude fat 3%, crude fiber 1%, moisture 82%, ash 3%. So it's supposed to be more natural, especially because it's grain-free and everything. So more natural than a lot of the other wet cat foods on the market. And this is a 3-ounce can. So she's like begging me for it right now. See, the inside is like these small pieces, so it's super easy to digest and easy for her to chew. You could get these online. You could get cans of these online or in any pet store for the most part. So I'm just going to give it to her because she's crying right now. All right, Penny. So as you could see, she's really liking it. Right, Penny? She eats so fast. Okay. So come in different flavors. This one is the chicken and tuna, and then they also have a turkey one, which my friend actually suggested I give her at night because turkey makes you sleepy. So she's like, try it at night. That's what I do for my cat. The feeding guidelines: feed an 8-pound adult cat about 3 cans daily. Visit NUTRO.com for more details. NUTRO adult sliced chicken and tuna entree cat food is formulated to meet the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO cat food nutrient profiles for maintenance. It's 100% complete satisfaction or your money back. The cans are recyclable. I left a little bit in there. I like how it comes in the broth. I feel like when it has broth, it's like a little bit easier for them to digest, which is great. And I just feel better about giving this to her because I know it's not loaded with a bunch of junk and stuff like that, like some other foods. So I guess her vet recommended this to her and said like the other cheaper brands on the market really aren't as good for the cats, and this has been around since 1926. Of course, it's a lot more natural and just better for them in general. Really, like, nothing artificial. And the grain-free definitely helps. So that was the tuna and chicken, and then the other one she gave me was turkey entree and savory sauce. Another 3-ounce can, and this one has turkey broth, turkey liver, pork broth, egg product, natural flavors, minerals, calcium carbonate, ferrous sulfate, zinc oxide, vitamins, pretty much the same as the other flavor that I just fed her. Protein 10%, crude fat 3%, crude fiber 1%, moisture 82%, and ash 3%. So, and then that one, I guess, same guidelines: Feed an 8-pound adult cat 2.5 cans daily. And then of course you could visit NUTRO.com for more details. 100% complete satisfaction or your money back. So I like that this comes in different flavors, so if she gets sick of the chicken and tuna, we could switch on to the turkey, and I'm sure they make other ones as well, so it seems to be a really great brand. She's still working on that over there. So guys, that's NUTRO, the natural choice adult cat food, chicken and tuna entree, and turkey entree in savory sauce. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys check it out, and I hope your cats enjoy it. Thanks for watching.